Nano babo kabalen ko, kumusta kayo po? Grabe, wala mo magumpisa na yung kain yung summer. Yarining panahon ng marimla. Kareng makaniningal do, itang mapali. I'm sure, dakal kaya kayo man to nitang pamparimla, di ba? Nya, darakala talaga rin business sa mag-milk tea. Milk tea. Ikatamo Kapampangan or hanggang ninuan Pilipino, burida no rin kay milk tea. So nya, darakala rin talagang mag-business milk tea. Yang ini nga doon ngayon feature tayo yung Rae Rae Cafe. So yung Rae Rae Cafe mag-serve yung milk tea, snacks, and more. And located dyan kining MacArthur Highway, Sindalan, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. So tara, gawin tala nung nanong suserve na. O ito, of course, yung pinaka-best part na ning pamag-vlog is potantak man taning pamangan. Again, nasyuta mo kayong Rae Rae Cafe. Chuya kayong Triple M Building along MacArthur Highway of Sindalan, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. And they serve not just milk teas and fruit juices. Surprisingly, available lang ngunit pala rin snacks tao ngayon. So, we have all-time favorite snacks like nachos, fish and dips, tuna sandwiches, an all-day breakfast. And for all of you who are pasta lovers, so tinda mo marinara and carbonara and tikoy roll. So yun, tikoy roll. Okay, so the best part, actually, sobra na dakal din. So igawan tamo, for my taste testing, siguro mamili kong metong makanini and then meron din kay food juices. And then later on, abi ko nga kay Jan, inggawan tamo, milk tea challenge. So mamili kaming metong keni, itataw ni mekagisan, isa na nitong pancake. Yan. So medyo lalo na pa mo pagpigil kami, pero dahil ito yung challenge, kailangan i-gisa na nito. Okay, so let's start. So sabi natin, pinaka-best seller natin is Tiger Milk Tea. Tiger Milk Tea. So, maka-shake tayo pa ano. Shake it up. Shake it up. And then, ayan. This is Tiger Milk Tea. Ayan, so, natin yung pearls. Whoa! Para ka na ako Siyempre, simpleng tao-tao mo. Pero wala laban niya yung Starbucks ni Nyonya. This is 115 pesos. Nyonya! It's just along MacArthur Highway. So, aliya hassle ita lulubta mo pa kay for example, a mall, establishment, makanyan. Malwashing parking ganda. So, aliya hassle mag-order gan. Okay. So next is the fruit tea. I'm a blueberry person, so this is blueberry fruity plus nata. So shake tayo pa here. Thank you. And just to comment, baliing red containers na. Aliwala retang balamong disposable type. Feeling ko para ka pwede lang tayo reusable. Yan. Bawa, gamitan nyo kayong bale or kayong office. So when you buy one of these plastic glasses, you can actually reuse it. Okay, so let's try it. Potang medyo pa saucy, yung sip it here. Potang medyo uhaw na uhaw style. And pakatagdagan mo lang yun. That is good, not too sweet. Aliya masyadong mas lang yung blueberry na, so just right for me. So let's start with the fish and chips. We have 3 dips. I think this is cheese, this is honey mustard, and then a garlic mayo. So let's start with the cheese. Not a cheese person, pero of course we're gonna try it. Let's proceed. So this is honey mustard. It's a garlic mayo. Next we're gonna try is the pasta marinara. Yan. So again, surprisingly, for a milk tea shop, available na rin makanining snacks. So you don't need to go anywhere. So like for example, you wanna stay here, tas medyo danupan ka, You can ask for their menu. So naka-accessible. You don't need to go to another restaurant or food spot mo yan, just to taste or just to have a heavy meal aside from milk tea and fruit juices. So this is their seafood marinara again. Super love my job. And this is their carbonara. Amazing. Okay, next, so this is nachos and ground meat and tomatoes and some vegetables. And then natin yung cheese on side plus the dip. Yan, okay mga ibs natin. So guys, we're gonna try it. Ako itang kay person who loves to poke egg. Tapos itang dumalo ito kaya. Ooh, that is so satisfying for me. There you go. Ooh. Okay, it's enough. So last to taste is their sandwich. So for those of you who are light meal eaters, try a sandwich, of course. And then this is their tuna sandwich. So fresh. Wow, sarap. Let's get into the match. So the challenge is we're gonna pick your milk tea. We have to finish it. And then, yung mesambot, gisa na nito.
Sugar.
Sugar. Minsan-minsan mo naman. Once a day.
Once a day.
This is matcha. O sige, ano kami rock salt and cheese. Cheese? Really? For coffee? Check it out. Ready? Sige, good luck man. Good luck. Since sabi ka Mino na ako pinggan. Grabe, that's the fastest matcha milk tea I ever tasted. Maka-brain freeze yan. Ika, kamusta? May pressure ka, eh? Nice one. Thanks for doing the challenge with me. Siyempre, hindi naman talaga agi sa din, pero we would like to thank Rae Rae Cafe for inviting us, being very generous to taste test pancakes more. After this one, it's always good to share a blessing. So, abetala na yung crew and stop getting to eat everything and of course enjoy the dishes here with us. So, thank you Rae Rae. The best. Budel fight milk tea version. Okay, so yung tataling bite, ang among yan syempre. There you go.
Yummy!
Okay, so ating ko pa take out, ka-generous na rin kay Rae Rae. Anyway, so thank you so much for inviting us. Nga pala, nung bisa kayong mag-event Kenny, for 5,000 pesos, you can actually rent the entire place. That's gonna be for 3 hours. Food and drinks po is consumable. So you can actually hold your barkada meetings. Ano pa mang special event, small gathering. So this can actually like accommodate 30 to 40 persons. So for more information, just check out their fan page or we're gonna include the contact number in the description below. So again guys, thank you! Bye!